But 2025 kidney diet. Boost function, lower creatinine, and prevent dialysis. Did you know that more than 850 million people worldwide are living with some form of kidney disease? That's nearly 1 out of every 10 people on the planet. And the scary part is, most of them don't even know it until it's too late. Kidney damage creeps in silently, often without pain or obvious warning signs, until dialysis or transplant becomes the only option. But here's the hopeful side. You have far more control than you think. In this video, we're going to uncover research-backed diets that can boost kidney function, lower creatinine levels, and even help prevent dialysis. And this isn't guesswork. Every piece of information you're about to hear has been fact-checked by health researchers, so you can trust that what you're learning is safe, accurate, and practical. If you've ever wondered what foods can protect your kidneys and give you a healthier, stronger future, stay tuned, because the answers might just be sitting on your plate right now. Number 1. DASH diet. Let's start with one of the most powerful eating patterns for protecting your kidneys, the DASH diet. Now, you might have heard of DASH before, because it was originally designed to lower high blood pressure. But here's the wonderful secret. Lowering blood pressure doesn't just protect your heart, it takes a huge burden off your kidneys too. Think about it. Your kidneys are like natural filters. Every time your blood pressure spikes, that filter gets strained. Over time, too much pressure can damage those tiny blood vessels in the kidneys. But the DASH diet works like a gentle reset. By emphasizing fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and low-fat dairy, it gives your kidneys a cleaner, lighter workload. What makes it so special for kidney health is that it's naturally low in sodium. And sodium, as you know, is the sneaky mineral that can cause fluid retention, swelling, and even push your blood pressure higher. With DASH, instead of salty snacks, you're leaning on natural seasonings, herbs, and spices that still keep your meals flavorful, without stressing your kidneys. Another big plus is the rich supply of potassium, magnesium, and calcium that comes with this diet. These minerals don't just balance blood pressure, they also help protect kidney cells from long-term damage. For example, potassium-rich foods like bananas, spinach, or sweet potatoes help your body get rid of excess sodium, which is exactly what your kidneys need. And don't worry, it's not about starving yourself or eating bland food. The DASH diet is flexible and colorful. Imagine a plate filled with roasted vegetables, grilled fish, and a sprinkle of olive oil, or a breakfast with oats, berries, and a handful of nuts. These simple swaps nourish your kidneys while still leaving you satisfied. So, if you're looking for a kidney-friendly lifestyle in 2025, the DASH diet isn't just a trend. It's a proven, science-backed way to lower creatinine, control blood pressure, and give your kidneys the rest they deserve. One small change at a time can truly make a life-saving difference. Number 2. Mediterranean diet. Now, let's talk about one of the most loved and healthiest diets in the world, the Mediterranean diet. If you've ever wondered why people living around the Mediterranean Sea seem to live longer, healthier lives, their diet is one of the biggest reasons. And when it comes to your kidneys, this eating pattern is a true gift. The Mediterranean diet is centered on whole, natural foods. Think of fresh vegetables, juicy fruits, whole grains, beans, lentils, and lots of healthy fats like olive oil. Add in some fish, nuts, and seeds, and you've got a diet that keeps inflammation low and circulation strong. Why does this matter for your kidneys? Because inflammation and poor circulation are two of the biggest silent threats that wear them down over time. One of the best things about this diet is its heart protective power. And remember, your heart and kidneys are like best friends. When one is weak, the other suffers too. The Mediterranean diet is rich in omega-3 fatty acids from foods like salmon, sardines, walnuts, and flax seeds. Omega-3s are known to reduce inflammation and protect your blood vessels. Stronger, healthier blood vessels mean your kidneys get a steady, healthy flow of blood, which keeps them working efficiently. This way of eating is also naturally low in processed foods and added sugars. That's a huge win for your kidneys because processed foods often come packed with sodium, phosphate additives, and unhealthy fats, all things that speed up kidney damage. By cutting these out and replacing them with natural, wholesome ingredients, you're giving your kidneys a chance to rest and repair. Another kidney-friendly benefit is the moderate protein intake. Unlike heavy, meat-centered diets that can overload your kidneys with waste products, the Mediterranean diet balances animal proteins with plant-based sources like beans, chickpeas, and lentils. This creates less stress on your kidneys while still giving you the energy and strength your body needs. And the best part? This diet is delicious and easy to enjoy. Imagine a colorful plate with grilled fish drizzled in olive oil, a side of roasted vegetables, a fresh tomato and cucumber salad, and maybe even a handful of olives. Doesn't sound like a strict kidney diet, does it? Yet every bite is nourishing your kidneys, lowering creatinine levels, and protecting you from long-term complications like dialysis. So, if you're searching for a kidney-friendly eating plan that doesn't feel restrictive, the Mediterranean diet is your answer. It's not just food. It's a lifestyle that encourages balance, flavor, and healing with every meal. Number 3. Plant-based diet. Let's dive into one of the most powerful ways to support your kidneys naturally, the plant-based diet. Now, don't worry. This doesn't mean you have to give up everything you love or suddenly become a strict vegan overnight. What it really means is shifting your plate to include more foods that come directly from the earth. Vegetables, fruits, beans, lentils, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Why is this so important for your kidneys? Well, plant foods are naturally lower in protein compared to heavy meat dishes. And when your kidneys are already working hard, too much animal protein can create more waste products like urea and creatinine that your kidneys struggle to filter. By focusing more on plant proteins, like beans and lentils, you're reducing that toxic load and giving your kidneys a well-deserved break. Another amazing benefit is that plant foods are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Think of colorful foods like blueberries, spinach, bell peppers, and broccoli. These foods act like tiny shields, protecting your kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Over time, this protection helps slow down the progression of kidney disease and keeps your creatinine levels in check. Plant-based diets are also naturally lower in sodium and phosphorus, two nutrients that can be harmful when consumed in excess. High sodium can push your blood pressure up and stress your kidneys, while high phosphorus levels can weaken your bones and harm kidney health. By relying on fresh, natural ingredients instead of processed foods, you avoid those hidden additives that silently damage your kidneys. But here's the best part. You won't feel deprived. A plant-based meal can be colorful, filling, and full of flavor. Picture a hearty bowl of quinoa with roasted vegetables, chickpeas, and a drizzle of tahini dressing, or a smoothie made with spinach, bananas, and almond milk. These meals are not only satisfying, but they also leave you energized instead of sluggish. And let's not forget the bigger picture. Plant-based eating doesn't just heal your kidneys. It helps your whole body. It lowers your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and obesity, which are some of the biggest risk factors for kidney damage in the first place. By adopting this lifestyle, you're not only protecting your kidneys today, but also investing in your long-term health. So, even small steps count. Maybe start by making one meal a day completely plant-based. Over time, your body and your kidneys will thank you for every choice you make toward cleaner, lighter, kidney-loving foods. Number 4. Low-protein diet. Now, let's talk about something that surprises a lot of people: the low-protein diet. You see, we've all grown up hearing that protein is the building block of life. And yes, protein is important for your muscles, your energy, and your overall health. But here's the truth. When your kidneys are struggling, too much protein can actually make the problem worse. Here's why. Every time you eat protein, whether it's from meat, fish, eggs, or even some plant foods, your body breaks it down into smaller pieces. Some of those pieces are waste products like urea and creatinine. Normally, your kidneys filter these out without an issue. But when kidney function is reduced, those waste products start building up in your blood. And that's exactly why your doctor keeps an eye on your creatinine levels. A low-protein diet helps by lightening the kidney's workload. Think of it like giving your kidneys a part-time job instead of forcing them to work overtime every single day. With less protein to filter, your kidneys can function more efficiently, and you can slow down further damage. For many people, this means delaying or even preventing the need for dialysis. But here's the important part. Low protein doesn't mean no protein. It's about balance. Your body still needs protein for strength and healing. You just want to be smart about the type and the amount. Instead of loading up on heavy meats, focus on smaller portions and mix in plant-based proteins, which are often gentler on the kidneys. A piece of grilled chicken paired with a hearty serving of vegetables and whole grains is a good example of how balance looks on the plate. Another tip is to choose high-quality protein sources. Foods like eggs, fish, lean poultry, beans, and lentils give you the nutrition you need without overwhelming your kidneys. At the same time, avoid processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli cuts. They're packed with sodium and chemicals that only make things harder for your kidneys. What's inspiring is how quickly some people notice the difference. By reducing protein just a little, they often report feeling less fatigued, less bloated, and even see improvements in their lab results. It's proof that sometimes, less really is more when it comes to kidney health. So, a low-protein diet isn't about restriction, it's about protection. It's a conscious choice to give your kidneys the breathing room they need to keep doing their vital job for years to come. Number 5. Low-sodium diet. Let's talk about one of the simplest, yet most powerful, changes you can make for your kidneys: the low-sodium diet. Sodium is that hidden mineral most of us know as salt. And while your body needs a little of it, too much can be devastating for your kidneys. Here's the problem. Excess sodium causes your body to hold on to water. That extra fluid increases your blood pressure. And as we've talked about before, high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Imagine your kidneys working around the clock, trying to filter all that extra fluid and pressure. It's like forcing them to carry a heavy backpack every single day. Over time, they simply wear out. A low-sodium diet lightens that load. By reducing salt, you're directly lowering blood pressure, reducing fluid buildup, and making life much easier for your kidneys. And the benefits don't stop there. Less sodium also means less swelling in your ankles, less puffiness in your face, and even a healthier heart. It's a win on all sides. Now, you might be thinking, but food without salt is bland. And that's the biggest myth. The truth is, flavor doesn't have to come from sodium. Herbs, spices, garlic, lemon juice, and fresh ingredients can make your meals just as tasty. Sometimes even more so. A squeeze of lemon over grilled vegetables, a sprinkle of fresh herbs on roasted chicken, or a dash of garlic and pepper in your soups can transform your meals without overwhelming your kidneys. The biggest sources of sodium aren't just the salt shaker on your table. It's processed foods. Canned soups, packaged snacks, deli meats, frozen dinners, and even bread often hide huge amounts of sodium. That's why cooking more at home, with fresh ingredients, is one of the best gifts you can give your kidneys. You control exactly what goes into your food. And here's the exciting part. Many people who cut back on sodium notice changes quickly. Their blood pressure stabilizes, swelling goes down, and they feel lighter and more energetic. For kidney patients especially, this simple change can mean slowing down disease progression and keeping creatinine levels from climbing. So, a low-sodium diet isn't about losing flavor. It's about gaining freedom. Freedom from high blood pressure, freedom from fluid retention, and freedom from pushing your kidneys beyond their limit. Every meal you season wisely is another step toward protecting your kidneys and your health for the long run. Summary. So, let's bring it all together. We've explored some of the most powerful diets proven to protect your kidneys. The DASH diet, the Mediterranean diet, plant-based eating, the low-protein approach, and of course, cutting back on sodium. Each one works in its own way, but they all share a common goal: lowering stress on your kidneys, reducing creatinine levels, and helping you avoid the painful road of dialysis. The best part is, these aren't crash diets or unrealistic plans. They're simple, delicious, and backed by science. Even small steps, like replacing processed snacks with fresh fruit, swapping salty meals for herb-seasoned dishes, or choosing more plant-based proteins, can make a huge difference in the long run. Remember, your kidneys are working for you 24 hours a day, filtering every drop of blood in your body. The choices you make at the table can either weigh them down or give them the strength to keep protecting you for years to come. If this video inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your loved ones. Someone you know might need this information more than you realize. And if you're serious about keeping your kidneys healthy, subscribe now, because we've got more fact-checked, research-backed tips coming your way. Take care of your kidneys, and they'll take care of you. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep making choices that give your body the best chance at life.